This is our first day in walking.
Yeah.
Here. Today is May 23. Our first day walking. We're just grabbing a daylight. All right, this is Ice Cream Man. A lot of kids are in the Iroquois Park. We're trying to burn our calories before we eat our dinner. A big bowl of dinner. And it's still springtime, but it's very hot. The summer will start in June. And it's still May. So we're trying to make our stomach a little bit smaller. It's nice to walk at least 15 or 20 miles. When you walk at 15 minutes, that is already 1 mile. So it helps. And I just came out from work, 5 o'clock. Drive for almost 25 minutes. Then go home and change clothes. Then you have to go out to the park, walk for a while. This is a park, they call it Iroquois, so big. And we're just walking along the road where we park our cars so that it's easy for us to go back. So instead of sitting down in the house, we will try to walk every day if the weather is good.
They're recording, nice.
Hi. Sorry. What do you call this building there?
The amphitheater.
Amphitheater. When somebody used that for a concert, yeah, these places here are so full with cars, so full with people. Iroquois is a group of Indian people. Yeah, this is what the originated Iroquois. They are one of the Indian tribe here in America. I remember my father when he walks, when he went hiking, he count his steps. Well, anyway, he was a military, he was a soldier before, and the way he walks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, he's being used of counting his steps so that he will not feel tired. He won't feel tired. It's almost 7 o'clock and the sun is still up. This is America. The sundown, almost 9 o'clock. So that's why people like to go out just to grab the daylight, because when the cold is coming back soon, oh my, stay in the house every day. Okay, we're almost here. Okay, this is our first day in walking. Bye guys.